Okay, currently trying to do the oil change on the Mercury. My trouble light has stopped working, needs a little work, so we're working in low light here. Anyway, I got the oil pan drained. Oil's good and hot. This oil filter is unique for the fact that it doesn't have a drain plug on the housing. So my only means of getting oil out is using this antique suction gun. I'm probably going to block my own light. And it seems to work fairly well. Oh yes, we'll try another shot. My problem's going to be I don't think it'll reach to the bottom. Yeah, we're sucking air already. Okay, I am going to have to rig up a rubber hose extension apparently. And I just dropped the camera. I really need to get my clamp-on mount. Okay, the oil change on the Mercury is complete. This was a rather interesting item. The filter that came out of the canister was Varcon, which a lot of people will never have heard of. Varcon was actually the in-house brand name of the McLeod's hardware store. They sold a line of automotive repair products, and Varcon filters and batteries and whatever else was a big part of their sales. Anyway, this one has got to be dating to the late 1960s, I would say, so obviously it was due for a change in the year 2016. It looks nice, but I'm imagining the fibrous filter material inside is well contaminated with dirt and various other byproducts of internal combustion engine. Anyway, there's a nice new Fleetguard LF510 installed now, ready for service. That's the equivalent to the original, I believe it was a Crowlinator K55. Anyway, ready for service. But today's temperature of just above 0 Fahrenheit. And rather cold and snow blowing day out there. I don't think I'll be seeing any driving activity, but stay tuned. More to come.